Hi everyone, this is my mom's part of her share where my brother lived. So we decided to hire our neighbor to plow this field so that we can plant some vegetables or fruit trees. And this land's never been tilled for 10-15 years. That's why it takes a while for him to till this. And he has to start early in the morning because it's cooler. Here's my husband and our baby goat. His name is Leroy. And this guy here just started plowing this land. And yeah, this is very hard because it's never been tilled for so long. That's a nice day to do this. It's not raining and it's nice here in the province. Just tilling the land. It's quiet and peaceful. And thank you guys for watching.